Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make iced tea for kids. Start by choosing a child-safe tea or a caffeine-free herbal option and brew it gently. Steep for a shorter time than adult tea to keep flavor mild. Cool quickly in an ice bath or the fridge. Sweeten sparingly with honey for toddlers over 1 year or with fruit puree for younger children. Serve diluted over ice and enjoy together. Brew with a gentle hand by using about 2 cups of water per tea bag and steeping just long enough to add taste. Avoid strong black tea for young children because of caffeine and tannins that can taste bitter. Cool the brewed tea quickly in an ice bath or refrigerator to lock in freshness. If adding fruit or herbs, infuse them while cooling for extra natural sweetness and flavor. Flavor with natural ingredients like mashed berries, a splash of orange juice, or a few mint leaves to keep sugar low and taste bright. Use honey only for children over 1 year and consider fruit puree for toddlers. Always taste and dilute to a mild level that children enjoy. Keep portions small and offer water alongside, making iced tea an occasional special drink rather than a daily
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.